Okay. Yes, please. Yeah. उसको खोई दाइको.
I'll go with brown.
Yes, sudah kali milkshake. Wow. He got his strawberry milkshake. Looks delicious.
It's so good.
So good. And Pujung got the apple juice jodo dada. Pujung apple juice khande chas. Ah, Jumbo, onju. And Papa lagi coffee. Papa lo coffee khande chas so. Yabo chas hai. Super. Ma is also coffee. So we are at Egglicious. Today is Sunday. Wow, kid's finger. Sonamla's kid's finger. It looks so good. Oh, thank you so much.
Now what you first?
Thank you. Oh, Sonamla, it looks so good. Oh my goodness.
Papa looks so creepy.
Camera ada dark lagi tu. Ini price tara. Naku minta camera nak rolling. Good. Any sauce? Give me the ketchup, the sauce, the pura go. Go ketchup sauce, kare kuch go Okay, so my breakfast is here. It's the keto breakfast ladra. So it's technically it's a brunch, but it's a keto breakfast. Papa kaje just a regular lumberjack. Boys are almost done. Samla, do you want some of Ama's breakfast? Do you want the nuts? No? Gonga, strawberry, avocado go. You don't like color. Now sagi avocado. Pujun, do you want the strawberry? Looks good. So we are done. We're done with the Egglicious. 남시키 봐라. mama 다른 차와게 돼. 농대게니 너무 차와게 하면서 있어. 너무 차와게 한다 간저 birthday라. It would have been siwo yungre, but would have been a messy birthday party. Already brunch 무셨어. Took some of the leftovers, chicken in there, and now we will have a lazy day today. Okay, see ya. We are back at dollar store. We're at the Queensway dollar store. The reason because boys wants to get some of the toys they wanted to get with the money they got on their birthday. So they want to shop here and some other store. But we are here today. Dollarama lalleri kunzini. Samla rinchela tada. Kizungi toys ni nyue toy store da inde da store shamba gagi degi Dollarama ra gagi. Dollarama ra gagi. Okay. Kache kizungi gaya toy sama dela ra gagi da. Yama thengwa je mastermind la do ra. Shira gamas kash kunzini gaya type de manchi dela ra yesar. Ani dela dona, which is good for us because it's much cheaper than mastermind and Toys R Us. Okay, this is our lazy Sunday still going on. Degas kinang la ya changma se degas kier thadeng ga kem jer. Ready. Rasa kinzo. Kuda card. Open. Na lu chala luchu da. Chala luchu da lai.
We will get another email pack.
Ale dida ale.
No mercy, but
Bunu no mercy do ya matsiri. Nang khazin niya masta. खुशी भयो बिचारा चले न ल्या मैंने सेफली से वर्त ल At the book aisle, they have this dollar store, like grade 1, grade 2, preschool. So I got a whole bunch of, they have reading and comprehension, maths, skill, and writing and grammar. I don't know how much boy is gonna use them, but it's just $1.50. I'm gonna get them. Because for 2 weeks they have no school and no summer camp is over. Let's see. Yeah, even if they're not that into him, just $1.50. Actually, I'm gonna give them 1 hour a day for this. Just activity for 2 weeks when they're home.
can you get this for your birthday?
Of course, darling. Yeah. Tanan niya pujo. Jela ligi mare. Dollarama la zona rayang girumbo bodligi mare. So Rinchenla, you said you're gonna get that for my birthday. Are you gonna buy them right now or no? The mom.
We're gonna buy it in your birthday.
Jogi re ragi mare.
Papa?
That time la ragi mare.
It's okay, we're gonna buy it. No matter what.
Yeah, okay. No matter what, you're gonna find it. Okay, surprise. Okay.
Ini juga rasa sama nama ni.
Ale, यो लिइसक्यो क्यों? Ale. यो सबै आफ्नो पैसाले किन्यो हो अले स्कुल सप्लाई चाहिँ हामीले किनौँ ल अर्को गिफ्टहरु त उनीहरु आफ्नै पैसाले किन्ने हो Okay, school supplies. Dollarama best for me. So I'm getting few picture frame. One the calendar notebook, like the scheduler planner, and few books. Pencil case other island. Stationery letter. Okay. The page is a ras. Lako simde. Don't mix them up. Just stand there.
What? Oh, what is it?
Saramla, don't open it yet.
Why are you so nice? I feel like this is just gonna be.
Do 마시면데 걔 이거다. 아니 레랑에.
Are you a surprise? Do you know how?
If it's a surprise, then I don't need to know now. Right? Why would you tell me surprise now?
Do you know how that you wanted the moms always?
I did not want it, Amma. You wanted to get it for me, and I was happy that you're gonna get it for me.
You liked it? Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it, Amma.
Well,
If my boys appreciate me as a mom, they love me. Of course, I love them.
you wanted it, so I got you.
Oh my goodness. You got the mom for oh my it's extremely pretty, Amma. Thank you so much. Tanda.
Oh my gosh, that flamed in
Here, my darling. Tanda. Wow. Thank you so much. Boys are having fun now. Alrighty, yeah. I'm gonna take camera and tell him bye today.
Bye.
Thank you.